Hello, I am Muskan Sinha from class 60. Today I will tell you about vermicompost, process, principle, working and its importance. Vermicomposting is a process of making compost from kitchen waste, worms and microorganisms. Instead of buying chemical fertilizers from market, we can make this vermicompost at our homes. Now let's see the principles of vermicomposting. A variety of approaches and designs has been developed for vermicomposting systems, but the basic principle is the feeding of acceptable organic materials to the earthworm in continuous or batch culture, and the collection of processed waste that ultimately consist of stabilized castings. Now let us know the process of vermicompost. Step 1. Buy and prepare the bin. Step 2. Find the stock for the compost bin. Step 3. Shred the paper for beading. Step 4. Add some food and wait. Step 5. Add worms. Step 6. Feed the bin. And step 7. Harvest the castings.